Well, this is my first video in a while. I'm finally back home. Sadly, my mother did pass away. She went peacefully, quietly, and in no pain at all. She didn't even need medication for pain. She was okay as far as that went. Anyway, I wanted to come out and show you the progress on the garden. My son has planted these zucchinis. This is the only, we've got zucchini, tomatoes, and peppers, and that's all we've got. Oh, and watermelon. Anyway, here's our watermelon. It's supposed to be some kind of a small, sweet melon. They're growing like crazy. I see a zucchini under here. There's one. Almost ready to pick. They're all doing really good. They're beautiful. And I think, I'm suspecting anyway, that due to everything getting planted later, oh, there's another one. Look here. Everything got planted later than normal. And I'm kind of thinking that maybe, because of that, I don't see any here. Because of that, then we're not having as much trouble with squash bugs as usual. But they're growing very well. I should have plenty to make some pickles and some relish and stuff like that with. Tomatoes got attacked by the hornworms, of course. So, they're not looking as beautiful as they should. Maybe you can see that. Let me get over there closer. See where they chewed up a bunch of leaves and stuff. We came out here. We've gotten 4 or 5 big old worms off of them so far. But we'll keep checking on them to make sure that they're okay. A different thing that we did this year was plant everything under this landscape fabric. It had been gifted to me last year, maybe, by one of my viewers, and then that time, oh, the wind's coming up. Feels good. I wasn't able to get out and make a garden like I wanted to. Had a friend come down, he plowed all this up, all the way down through there, and then we weren't able to do anything with it. Just the way the year turned out. But anyway, so this is our garden so far. I'm hoping early this week we can get this mowed down. We've got a mower. We'll mow it down, then run the tiller over it, and put out something that will actually grow from here until fall. Maybe some green beans. They grow pretty quick. They're about 60 days, 45 to 60 days. And a few other things like that. The peppers are doing well. They're all hot peppers this year. There's no sweet peppers out here. But they look good. Don't that look nice? Those are hot bananas, I think. My son planted them all. He got all hot peppers. He said he couldn't find any sweet peppers, like sweet bananas, but, you know, maybe he only looked for sweet banana. Hot banana, I don't know. Alright. Now, in the past, I've always used organic methods, and this time he did start out with putting goat manure in every hole of ugly stuff. But we're finishing off with Miracle-Gro. Now, before you start hollering and screaming, Miracle-Gro is perfectly fine. It's just got the right balance of nutrients for the plants. And it works. And as you can see, it's benefiting these. If this was a situation where you couldn't get it, couldn't get any kind of fertilizer or Miracle-Gro or anything, I'd be digging up more goat manure. But we're not in that situation right now. So I'm just going to keep on with it, with the Miracle-Gro. Okay, I'm going to have a canning video coming up. I'm going to show you a failure. My canner failed. But I'll get that finished up here pretty soon. See what you think. I've ordered a part for it. So maybe I can do some more pressure canning. And I guess that's it for right now. We're expecting, as you can see, it's been thundering. Dark clouds. It rained a little bit already. I don't know. I wish it would rain more. It needs to. So there you go. That's it. Just a very short update. Tell me what you think. How's your garden growing? Are you getting very much production out of it? And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.